Granger Waste Services has helped mechanics increase productivity with RTA's paperless shop solutions for 10 years now, saving time and money.
We've had RTA now for over 10 years, and we have implemented their paperless shot system. We are pushing more and more now towards tablets for our mechanics, and the web version of RTA is helping just increase productivity levels. The mechanics can now use those tablets to scan out parts from the parts room, log into their work orders, complete the work orders, and log out, all from their bays. So it's definitely been a time saver over those 10-year period. Some of the improvements and wins that we've had with RTA that have benefited Granger is definitely the warranty program. We have saved a lot of money. Previous to RTA, it was all paper logging and spreadsheets. Now, with being able to flag parts under a warranty program, that saved us several $1,000s this year alone.